Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Dylan's ice cream shop profit might seem tricky, but we can solve this quickly by separating accounting and economic costs. Let's find the right answer now.
First, we calculate accounting profit by taking the total revenue of $250,000 and subtracting the explicit costs of $150,000 for rent and workers. That leaves us with an accounting profit of $100,000, but we are not done yet because we must also consider the implicit cost of Dylan's previous salary. Subtracting his $80,000 journalist salary from the accounting profit leaves $20,000 in economic profit. Option E is the final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given and check steps for success.